As the rumored mid-January 2024 launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24 draws near, leaks are pouring in, giving us a sneak peek at this highly anticipated phone. Recent hands-on photos of the S24 Ultra have surfaced, showcasing its titanium frame and flatter chassis. Comparing the lead images of the S24 to its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, we can spot some subtle design changes. The S24 Ultra appears slightly thinner at 8.6mm and features a more polished and smoother texture titanium frame. The power and volume keys are thicker but seem more recessed. The positioning of the USB-C port, speaker, SIM card slot, and S Pen at the bottom remains unchanged, but the speaker now sports an elongated pill-shaped design, departing from the grille layout of the S23 Ultra. Inside, rumors point to the use of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, known for its AI capabilities, aiming to rival the Pixel 8. The phone's 6.8-inch display is expected to offer a peak brightness of 2,500 nits, setting a new standard. The alleged launch plan suggests a debut on January 17, followed by pre-orders, a pre-sale launch event, and general availability in late January. Share your thoughts on the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Peace out.